Hey everyone, so yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to check Gmail login activity from another device. If you're worried someone else might be accessing your Gmail or you just want to monitor account security, this full step-by-step guide for 2026 will walk you through everything. First, open Gmail on your computer or mobile browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct Gmail address. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of your Gmail inbox. Yeah, this part is easy to miss, but it's really important. At the bottom right, click on Details next to Last Account Activity. This opens a window showing recent Gmail login activity. Here you'll see a list of recent logins. It shows the device type, browser, IP address, location, and time of access. So take a moment to review each entry carefully. If you notice a device or location you don't recognize, that could mean someone else logged into your Gmail. Especially watch for unfamiliar countries or times you weren't active. If something looks suspicious, click Sign out of all other web sessions. This immediately logs your Gmail out from other devices. After that, change your Gmail password right away. Also, enable two-step verification for extra security. This step is super important. Finally, run Google's security checkup. It helps you review devices, connected apps, and recent security activity. And yeah, that's how to check Gmail login activity from another device step by step in 2026. If this video helped you protect your account, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.